How's it going, everybody? Con here with Caliber Whips, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a hitch for your Stockwhip handle. So this is going to be a hitch made of 275 parachute cord. It's going to be 2 Spanish rings with kind of a half hitch thing going on in between. I don't know the name of it, so let's just get started. So I have an 11-foot section of cord. It's 11 feet tied onto our lacing needle. Make sure it's gutted so you pull out the little inner strands inside. So I have about 16 inches of it from here all the way to here. We're going to attach it here we're going to fix it with our thumb. We're going to go around the back and then over the front just like that. We're going to go through the, we're going to go under our standing end. I believe that's what it's called. Then we're going to flip this around the back like this. We're going to make these two go over each other like that. Then we go under, just like that. And then we're still holding this because this could still pop through, so we don't want that. We're gonna go on top, going under. Just like that. Now we have half a ring going on, and we're gonna continue this by going alongside of it like this. Whoops. You want to make sure that it's on the other side, just like that. Alright, see these two strands, how they're together? You want to break them up with your needle. Same goes for here. These two are together. Break them up. Same with these guys. And then just finish where you left off. And then there you go. We have one Spanish ring down. We're going to put him up top. Now what we're actually going to do is we're going to basically use our lacing needle. We're going to pull each cord and tighten our Spanish ring as tight as humanly possible. There we go, we have one ring down. Now what we're going to do, we're going to keep this guy out of our way. I'm just going to shove him up in the keeper, just like that. Now, you don't need to have the lacing needle for this. You just need to start doing this little half hitch motion right here. See that? And then you just pull this as tight as humanly possible. You want to push this up against the Spanish ring because you don't want any of this black part showing. So you basically hold this out like this. You just grab this guy right here and pull it through. And we're just going to keep on going around. We're just going to keep on doing this until we are well past this black part. You want to make sure that you kind of pull this back a little bit because you don't want these little strands to stretch out too far. So to give them the kind of the persuasion they need to kind of stay in one place, when you pull it, just kind of pull back like this. There's a big old bird right next to me. Alright, so we are now ready to attach our Spanish ring. We're going to do the same thing as before, but we're going to flip this guy over. We're going to hold our dowel rod like this, and we're going to attach our Spanish ring the same way as before. Now, I've already showed you guys how to do the Spanish ring, so I'm going to kind of fly right through this part, but I will show it on camera just so you guys can follow along if you want to try to do it a bit faster. There we go. Now, since this knot is really, really loose, I have to go through and tighten it, but I'm not going to tighten it through this piece of cord. I'm actually going to go through and find the piece of cord that was up in the hitching, and I'm going to pull that. So that was the cord that was used. So now I'm going to pull it tight and go all the way through. There we go. We have finished our hitching for the Stockwhip handle. So what I'm actually going to go ahead and do is roll the hitching. After I go through and pull these two strands super tight, I'm just going to cut it and then burn it with a lighter just to singe it so it doesn't kind of come out and unravel. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. So there we go, the finished hitching. I went ahead and rolled it and singed off the extra strands. So that pretty much does it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also a big thank you to Adam Winrich for teaching me how to do this 3 years back when I was first making stock whips. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.